blowing the red light. All of them.
They're hardcore bikers. Who's gonna stop? They gonna pull them over? What?
They're not scary.
I tried to get in and they were like.
What? You gonna pull
Do you hear all the cars? All the cars blowing their horn?
I was in
I mean, they probably think, well, how's one cop gonna pull over 300 people?
I was talking that funny. I know.
Do you hear the horns? Do you hear the horns?
There's quite a few of them.
But the thing is, a cop
Or just
can
gonna
pull
get
over all
pissed.
these people for blowing up red lights.
There's
They're
no
all,
way a cop
whatever.
could or would.
Yeah.
The majority is that they wouldn't even attempt it.
Is someone directing traffic? Oh, did they finally stop? They're just stopping.
Oh, he's so
Alright, you ever run out of the sauce?
They're all turning
Down
around.
here?
No, they aren't. Why are they turning around?
Wow.
They are doing a Yui. Amazing. I don't think they knew where Old 66 was.
Oh.
Are you kidding?
No, they're not from here.
Yeah, but somebody is coming.
Oh, and look, the dude's gonna be brave in the middle and just park there.
Wow.
Where?
Phone.
I cannot believe this. This is going on YouTube, guys. Oh my God.
Or maybe that's their formation.
I don't know. This is crazy.
That's probably their captain or lieutenant out there.
Yeah, maybe like they were all like, okay, the leader, we need to get organized. So a couple of you go out past the light, turn around, and go off. Yeah. Parking in that crap must have been You get all nervous when you're
Damn.
Hey, where's Pontiac at, huh?
Wow. I got a picture of the red light with them moving on it too.
This is your long receipt.
You know, there's people out here that got to get back to work. They're on their lunch break.
Yeah, sorry. And that's what I'm saying. There's like hundreds of motorcycles that block our
Sorry, I got stuck in traffic. Product 36.1,
Look, look at his bike. He's got the flashy lights like he's somebody real big.
Wow.
Oh my God! Did you get direct traffic?
I am surprised there is no cops at all. There's only here.
I don't know the use of the sanitizer wipe to get all this stuff
That is crazy.
Look at all of us.
We should have counted how many times the light turned.
Hard work. We're all looking at